So we are making a video on this art, as this is a very big art piece. So this length is the height, it's a vertical painting. So its height is 5 feet and the width is 3 feet. So we will go into the details. So this art is on Krishna. The center theme is Krishna and Gopis, Rasa Leela, right? So you can see how clearly the face and the expression, right? You can see the eyes of Radha. Actually, you can see that love in the eyes of Radha. And similarly, various gopis, Ashtasakis, are doing various services here. So then just on the camera. So then there is an outer circle, outer layer, I can say, which is which has all the Dashavatars. So this is Matsya avatar, and this is I'm sorry. So this is Matsya avatar, and this is Kurma avatar. Right? I will hold my vertically. So this is Matsya avatar. This is Kurma avatar. So each avatar, the painting of each avatar in itself is very detailed. The designs and the postures, everything, it's so beautiful. This is Varaha, Narasimha, and Vamana. Then this is on the left side of the main theme, and we will now move to the right side. So this is Parshurama, Rama avatar, Balarama, and Buddha, and Kalki. So in this, these are the Dashavatars. So in center is Krishna, and then we will go to the top 2 layers. So which are next 2 layers of the art. So first we will move to the top, and then we will see what is there in the bottom. I'm just holding it horizontal. So the next layer, it is Krishna and his Gopa friend Madhumangal, and then one Rasa Leela in the boat, and then here Balaram killing Pralambasur. Pralambasur, and then this is Krishna again with gopis, and he is fighting with I don't know, another demon. This is, and above this is Kalingamardhana, and then Balarama killing fire demon Pralambasur, and here again he is playing with his friends. Krishna and Balarama are playing with his friends, and this is Govardhan Leela. So now we will go to the other side, symmetry of the center theme, to the bottom. We will see what are all the Leelas there. So this is second layer at the bottom. So first layer we saw Dashavatar, and the second layer at the bottom. So here King Kamsa is instructing Akrura to go to Vrindavan and bring Krishna and Balaram to kill them. Here Akrura is taking bath, and he has a darshan of Krishna Balaram. And here he takes Krishna Balaram to Mathura, and there Balaram gets angry on a dhobi and he kills him. And here Krishna sets the back of a kubja, and here the first, so Krishna kills the elephant. Then again we will move to the next layer in the bottom. Again Krishna and Chanura, the wrestlers of Kamsa, so they are fighting with them, Krishna and Balaram. And here they kill King Kamsa. And here Krishna and Balaram, they made again Vasudev as a king here. So till now we have seen the inner layers. Now we will see the outermost layer. What are all the leelas present in the outermost layer? So mostly they have covered many of them. Total there are 100 leelas in the 10th canto of Bhagavatam. So just a second, we will move to the outermost leelas now. So here actually the story starts. So this is the topmost left corner. Here the story starts. You can see Sriman Mahavishnu with Lakshmi Devi, and the first scene is Vasudeva is getting married to Devaki. Then here Kamsa hears the Akashvani, and he wanted to kill Devaki, and then Vasudeva begs him not to kill. And here he is killing every child of Vasudeva and Devaki. So from top we are moving in a clockwise direction. Then again Vasudeva is pacifying Devaki, and then Sriman Mahavishnu ensures that he will take birth. And then everyone slept, all the soldiers, and here Vasudeva is taking Krishna. And then here the Maya Devi comes back to Kamsa. So it's exchange of Krishna and Maya. So Lord Durga Devi, and she warns him that Krishna is in Vrindavan. And here the leelas, the pastimes have started from here. So here there are Putana coming, and Krishna has killed Putana. So here another demon comes as a wheel, Radha, Shakatasur, and then Vyomasura. So I mean there are a whole lot of pastimes here. And again there are other things. Yashoda is, so here he is churning butter. Here again Krishna is killing Bakasura. So these leelas are depicted in a different form in each painting, but the leelas are same. Somewhere we see that he has opened and killed opened the mouth of Bakasura and killing. So in this painting it is shown like this. Then different pastimes. This is Damodar Leela. Mother Yashoda is tying Krishna to the motor. So like this there are different leelas. So here again he is killing Aghasura, Dhenukasur. So it is like this vertical. So overall this is the picture. So there are, apart from that, you can see the designs, the details, the borders given, right? So between the each Leela or pastime. So overall around here we have counted around 35 to 40 pastimes are there of the Lord.